Namaste, good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, students, scholars, sportsmen, teachers, trainers, listeners and learners, professors and professionals, advertisers, advocates, administrators and advisors, those who are listening from the field of science, spirituality, arts, commerce and engineering, presence of Saint Dr. Narendra Modi ji, our Reverend fathers and mothers, presence of doctors and ministers, affectionate sons and daughters. You are watching, observing, examining. Today we are listening the words of Lord or God, who He is, who He was and who He will. In past, present and future, our Indian land is the land of starters, beginners, initiators. Those who came first on this land as Gautam Buddha, who started Buddhism, Mahavir Swami, who started Jainism, and Swami Vivekananda, who started Ramakrishna Mission. These were the greatest personalities in our nation throughout the world. Swami Vivekananda, who went in the USA, in the America in 1893, which was being addressed by our present Prime Minister throughout the world. Our land is the land of initiator, beginner and starters. Vasco da Gama, who discovered India in 1498, Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj, who was the starter of Sikhism, came on this land in 1469. William Shakespeare, who is known as the founder of dramas, he born in 1564, and Saint Kabir, who came on this Indian land. So we are celebrating all the days with new days, new months and new year. Every Indian day is celebrated, branded with the different festivals and functions, foods and friends. Our India is really being young in the presence of our present Prime Minister. By changing the personality, while wearing shoes, footwears, winter wears and summer wears, a man can be changed. A man can change his personality by wearing different type of garments and clothes. Thought is the greatest thing. By one idea, one thought, a man can change. It was the great message which was provided by Swami Vivekananda to the world. By his energy, by his matchless and incomparable thought, he established a wonderful history. All the persons, those who go through the historical records, our past, then he will know that we are the starter, beginner and initiator of modern technologies. That modern technologies are being used on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, in different social sites, social websites, Google starters. So who is the maker of these things? A man must invent and innovate. For being a true researcher, true innovator and inventor, Today you are listening the truth of science and spirituality. It will help you to generate, create, operate different type of ideas, thoughts and words in praise, in appreciation, in admiration of our nation. Really it is praiseworthy, admirable and appreciable. In the form of unity in diversity, our Indian land has diversities, varieties, colors, size, shape, figure. On every scale we have differentiations, distinctions, but we are known by the oneness, unity, and by creating a thought of equality. There is no discrimination on the basis of caste, color, creed, sex, language and all that, but all are equally accepted, treated, welcomed, respected by our Indian motherland. It is the greatest feature of our nation, and firstly it was greatly spoken, addressed by present Prime Minister. Unread, unspoken, unwritten and unheard is more powerful than heard, spoken, written and listened. It is in our Indian culture that we believe in the thoughtlessness as well. The starters of the different missions, the starters and beginners of the different religions, those who came on this land, they spent their maximum time with nature. They provided natural communication, natural transportation, natural facilities. Through the nature, commonly they spent their maximum time with nature, friendly, communicate with the nature without any discrimination, and whatsoever came in their mind they provided to the people. So it should be in the nature of our man of India, every citizen of India, that we are to take an oath, we are to determine for the betterment and upliftment of our nation, unrelentingly, unceasingly, unstoppingly. We are to go on our path. Our Indian land is a unique land, and when a man think that success is not any platform, success is not the name of any destination, but success means continuity and regularity. It was addressed by the greatest social reformist. If a man does his work selflessly, unrelentingly, unceasingly, unstoppingly, without being selfish, then he may get the fruitful result of his living on this earth. It is written, it is addressed by Swami Vivekananda, written to the Vedas. And William Wordsworth, who is known as the priest of nature, worshipper of nature, he addressed that, return to your childhood, to enjoy your childhood, return to your nature. It was the great message which was broadcasted by the free thinkers, messengers of our Indian land. Our Indian land is the creator of the astronomers, astrologers. So our India is known as Guru Desh, a country of teachers, nation of teachers. Everyone is teacher here, because the Indian land creates the teacher of teachers, scientist of scientists, researcher of researchers. So those who are listening, they are judging, observing, examining, evaluating. We are in India listening by being a judge, because listeners are played, listener are shown as a judge, but the speaker is an advocate or lawyer who can speak do's and don'ts, merits and demerits, advantage and disadvantage. So listeners can judge and spread out the message of nationality by being nationalistic and patriotistic person, true son of Indian motherland. Thank you for providing your valuable time, precious time in watching, listening, learning and reading about our present scholars and learners. Nice to see you, nice to meet you, nice to think you. Thanks.